Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon curd with just 4 ingredients. Start by cracking 3 eggs into a small saucepan, add 1/4 to 1/2 a cup of sugar or stevia, and then give everything a good whisk until it's smooth and creamy and well combined. Using a microplane grater, grate over the zest of 2 lemons so you get that lovely fresh lemon flavor. Just grate over all of the zest of the 2 lemons and then give it a whisk through to get everything started to be incorporated together. Then to add the juice, we've got the juice of 2 lemons going over. I like to squeeze mine over a sieve to catch any pips. Look at all those pips there. And then give everything another whisk in to whisk the lemon juice and lemon rind into the whisked eggs. Then add in the butter, 50 grams, 1.76 ounces of butter. Pop it onto medium heat on the stove and whisk it continuously. This is so important. It's important to have it on low to medium heat and whisk it continuously till the butter has melted and it's thickened to a lovely lemon curd. You need to be a little bit patient with this, not heat it too high, and when it just starts to bubble like that, remove it from the heat once it's beautiful and thickened up. Best way to test it's ready, pop a spoon in and pop your finger along the spoon and you can see the lemon curd has thickened up absolutely perfectly. And there are so many uses for this lemon curd. You can top pancakes with it, toast, mix it through some overnight oats or yogurt, have it with waffles. All these ideas are in the blog post down below for you, so be sure to click through for that for how to make this lemon curd with 4 ingredients and lots of ideas for uses too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lemon curd a try and what you think of it.